Hallo everyone and welcome to Afrikaans is lekker. Today we are going to talk about klere in Afrikaans. Klere in Afrikaans is clothes. Wat gaan ons bespreek? What are we going to discuss? Klere is the things we wear. We put it on our bodies to keep us warm. Let's see what we're going to learn. Here we have a T-hemp. T-hemp is a t-shirt. Can you say T-hemp? T-hemp. And a trui. Trui is a jersey. Trui. Here we have two types of pants. You get a long pant and a short pant. A long pants in Afrikaans you call a lang broek. Lang means long and broek is pants. Do you see? Can you say lang broek? Lang broek. Then we do a kort broek. Kort broek is a short pants. Can you say with me kort broek? 1 2 3. Kort broek. Then we have a rok. A rok is a dress. Can you say rok? Rok. Rok. Well done. Then we have a romp. A romp is a skirt. Romp. Romp. Then we have a baadjie. Can you say baadjie? Good job. Baadjie is a jacket. And a serp. A serp is a scarf. Say serp. 1 2 3. Serp. And we have two types of hats. The first one we have is a hoed. Hoed is a hat, a cap. And a mus. A mus is a beanie. Can you say mus? Well done. Can you say hoed? Hoed. Good job. Let's go on. Here we have handskoene and sokkies. That is your gloves and socks. Can you say handskoene? Handskoene. Can you say sokkies? Sokkies. Good job. Then we have takkies. Takkies is your running shoes. Takkies. And a jas. A jas is a long, warm jacket. A jas. Jas. Then we have skoene. Skoene is shoes, any type of shoe. And plakkies. Plakkies is your flip-flops or your slops. Plakkies. Baie dankie. Thank you for watching. That is all for today and have a lovely day further. Totsiens. Don't forget to like and subscribe.